So the Global Challenges Research Fund Mine, Dust and Health Network was established specifically to inform research, policy and practice on the issues and challenges related to mine dust, which is associated with mining-related activities, and that includes then the extraction, the processing, and the downstream beneficiation, as well as the transport, with some of the mine dust-related issues being thousands of kilometers away from the actual operations. And in so doing, we are trying to develop solutions to these challenges and ultimately to improve the quality of life, the health and the environment of mine-impacted communities. So my name is Jennifer Broadhurst and I am the director of this network. We have a management team that is leading this, and I'd like to introduce you to our other members, starting off with Associate Professor Shahida Adams, who is the co-director.
So hi everyone, I'm Shahida Adams. I'm an occupational medicine specialist by training and I'm co-investigator on the Mine Dust and Health Network. So part of our interest in developing this network is to draw people from diverse backgrounds and expertise, because I think we recognize that the impacts of mine dust on health, the environment and communities are quite diverse and requires people with different types of expertise to come up with solutions, and that an interdisciplinary focus is needed for this type of work. So now I'd like you to introduce you to one of our other members of our team, Dr. Joanna van Holt, who is the project manager.
So Jenny and Shahida gave you a brief introduction to the network, which a lot of you have been introduced to through our activities. Last year in September, we had a face-to-face annual network event where many people participated in kind of getting together our ideas of where we want to take our network and research ideas and where people can get involved. What we'd like you to do is to join us in our technical session, where we will have panelists and some lively discussion about the network, about mine dust, and about where we want to go and how you can get involved. And to join us this year, a new member of the team, I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Cledwin Manguna, who's just joined us as a research fellow at UCT. Cledwin?
Thank you, Joanna, for that introduction. So let us meet on the 17th of November, 1400 hours, South African Standard Time, to discuss these recent developments and future trends of the following themes: your policy and law, your monitoring and your measurement, your rehabilitation and your mitigation, your community awareness and education, as well as finally the exposure and health effects. Such critical topics which impact not only ourselves as researchers, but as well the mining communities where activities are happening and dust mine is being generated and impacting the daily lives of all of us. So let's be there and discuss.